to draw a pizza marker. Hello. Today you'll see a tutorial where I draw a pizza marker, an unreleased marker in the Find the Markers game. As you can see, I started by sketching the outline and adding details. On the left side, you can see the original marker. It has red sauce and mozzarella. Please stay with me until the end to see how this drawing turns out. I hope you've already given me a like. I kept only a little outline. I will color. I pay attention to details. Posca markers easily color over alcohol-based ones without mixing the colors. In a drawing, details make the difference. For more tutorials, visit my channel, Plasticine Cat. If you enjoy what I do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.